Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, scholars and super spellers. Welcome to Words with Lemme Tryhard, the show where we slow it down, break it apart, and make every word make sense. I'm Lemme Tryhard, your host dressed sharp in a zoot suit, here to help you learn, think it through, and try a little harder every time. Before we begin, here's today's joke. Why did the letter stay quiet in class? Because it was silent. Alright, let's get started. Today we're continuing spelling words from week 23. Here is today's phonics focus to remember as we move forward. Some words contain silent letters. Silent letters are written, but they are not pronounced. Keep that in mind as we work through today's words. For every word, I will explain what it means, tell you what part of speech it is, spell the word clearly, use it in a sentence, and then walk through 3 questions with the answers. Let's begin. The first word is aisle. An aisle is a walkway between rows. Aisle is a noun. Now listen carefully as I spell it. I-A-S-L-E-I-D, aisle. Here is the word used in a sentence. We walk down the grocery store aisle. Now let's think together. Here comes the first question. Which letter in aisle is silent? Think about how the word sounds when spoken. Compare that to how it looks when spelled. The correct answer is the letter L. The L is silent. Let's move to the next question. Stay focused and keep listening. Is an aisle something you walk through or something you lean against? Picture where people move in a store or airplane. The correct answer is something you walk through. An aisle is a walkway. Now for the final question on this word. You're doing well so far. Do movie theaters and airplanes have aisles? Think about where people walk to get to their seats. The correct answer is yes, both have aisles. Now let's move on. The next word is castle. A castle is a large fortified building. Castle is a noun. Here is the spelling. C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. Here is the word in a sentence. The knight protected the castle. Now let's slow down and think. Here comes the first question. Which letter in castle is silent? Think about which letter you do not hear when you say the word. The correct answer is the letter T. The T is silent. Next question. Stay calm and focused. Are castles usually found in history books or grocery stores? Think about where castles belong. The correct answer is history books. Castles are historical buildings. Final question. Almost finished with this word. Do castles often appear in fairy tales? Think about the stories you know. The correct answer is yes. Castles are common in fairy tales. Let's continue. The next word is muscle. Muscle is the tissue that helps your body move. Muscle is a noun. Here is the spelling. M-U-S-C-L-E, muscle. Here is the word in a sentence. Exercise helps build muscle. Now let's think it through. First question coming up. Which letter in muscle is silent? Think about how the word sounds. The correct answer is the letter C. The C is silent. Next question. Stay focused. Do muscles help you move or help you think? Think about running, jumping, and lifting. The correct answer is help you move. Muscles make movement possible. Final question. Last one for this word. Can you see all of your muscles from the outside? Think about muscles under your skin. The correct answer is no. Many muscles are inside the body. Now let's move on. The next word is honest. Honest means truthful and fair. Honest is an adjective. Here is the spelling. H-O-N-E-S-D, honest. Here is the word in a sentence. She gave an honest answer. Now let's answer the questions. First question. Which letter in honest is silent? Think about the first sound you hear. The correct answer is the letter H. The H is silent. Next question. Stay focused. Does honest describe how someone acts or what someone owns? Think about behavior. The correct answer is how someone acts. Honest describes behavior. Final question. Almost done. Is telling the truth an example of being honest? Think about what honesty means. The correct answer is yes. Telling the truth is honest. Let's continue. The next word is delightful. Delightful means very pleasing or enjoyable. Delightful is an adjective. Here is the spelling. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-F-U-L. Delightful. Here is the word in a sentence. The party was delightful. Now let's think together. Here comes the first question. Which letters in delightful are silent? Think about which sounds you do not hear. The correct answer is G and H. The G and H are silent. Next question. Stay calm and focused. Does delightful describe something pleasant or something scary? Think about how the word feels. The correct answer is pleasant. Delightful describes something enjoyable. Final question. Almost finished with this word. Would a surprise party be delightful for many people? Think about celebrations. The correct answer is yes. Many people would find it delightful. That brings us to the end of today's words. You listened carefully, you stayed focused, and you gave learning the time it deserves. This is Lemme Tryhard, reminding you that strong words build strong minds, and progress happens one word at a time. I'll see you next time on Words with Lemme Tryhard.